All right, so we are looking at multiplication of numbers in base 2. So since we're dealing with base 2, we're only dealing with 0 and 1. All right, those are the only two numbers that we are dealing with. All right, so we have 11 base 2 multiplied by 11 base 2. This is our first example, so we can write it down here. 11 multiplied by 11. Let's not forget that it's in base 2, and here we put in base 2. All right, so the multiplication part is easy. All right, 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Right, then here we go 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. So after we multiply, that's when we now add. So remember, since we're dealing with base 2, we're only dealing with numbers that are less than 2, and that is 0 and 1. So we're going to see what happens if we get a 2 during our operations. So the next section we add. So we're going to say 1 plus 0, that is 1. Then we have 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So since we're dealing with base 2, we just can't put the 2 here. We're going to put the 2 here. All right. So we're going to divide this 2 by the base number, which is 2. All right. Any number greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, you always have to divide it by 2 if you're dealing in base 2. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Remainder 0. Now pay attention to this part. You put the remainder in your answer, okay? So our remainder is 0, so we're going to put a 0 here. Then this 1 here, we're going to add it with this 1 here, right? We carry it and then we add it. So 1 plus 1, again we get another 2. So when you get a number that is 2 or greater, always divide by 2 because that's the base we're dealing in. So if it's base 3, our denominator will be 3. If it was base 4, our denominator will be 4. All right. So 2 divided by 2, that is 0. Remainder, and that's 1, remainder 0. So we put the remainder here 0, and then the 1 which we've carried, we just put it here. So this is our answer, 1001 base 2. Any questions, Chikondi? You have understood?